Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is Solana. We're looking at Solana right now, trying to trade a little bit, and I just saw Bitcoin, so I'm gonna match up Solana with Bitcoin at the moment because I talked about Bitcoin today on the 4-hour time frame that if you zoom out like this on Bitcoin, you do have Bitcoin right now with this support right there. With that support right here, this support right there, one support there, and you went down like this and you came up for a bearish retest, so you can be rejected from here and go down to $14,000, which is a Fibonacci retracement technical target. Same goes for Solana at the moment, because we do know Solana actually follows Bitcoin footsteps, and yeah, we actually made some move up to $39 and got rejected, got hammered there from $39, and then boom, we start to move even way more lower because there was a huge resistance as inverse head and shoulder. Now what I want to talk about is even something way more important. So if I dive into the monthly time frame, there's a very simple market cycle that I want to teach you right now, and this is the following. Yesterday I did make a private video for my Discord members telling them about it, but I'm just gonna do it for this the purpose of this update. So yeah, we're looking for two targets, one being $7 and one being $4. That's still in play on a higher time frame. On the lower time frame, we can have some little bit of pumps here and there, so don't get confused. The thing is that we basically, if I do go onto Google, I'm going to write in here the market phase, and right now on a monthly time frame, that's the market phase that I'm looking forward to basically. And the better one is going to be something like this one. Okay, so where you have this accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, redistribution, and accumulation down there. Okay, so basically you can even learn all of this from my trading course. I do have the trading course. You can check, the link is in the description of the video. It's $249, but don't get bothered. You can always message me on Twitter on AdamCoins_ to get a little bit of a discount. Okay, back here, I would actually like to take the text right there, and I can actually write in here, this one being accumulation, that right over there. So this was your accumulation phase right over here, and as you progress to the upside, you made another one known as the accumulation, right? So it's, I don't know, I'm really bad at spelling things, but bear with me a little bit. So yeah, matching out with that picture that I just showed you, this is where the reaccumulation actually happened. And if I do bring in this one right there, the top part of it is gonna be a, what is it, distribution, right? Distribution right there. Okay, I'm gonna take another text right there, and then we have this one being as I hate typing, by the way. I really hate typing. So that's your redistribution down here. But the good news is that you are near down to go for what's left for accumulation. Okay, and if you notice in this image, the accumulation is a little bit above the previous accumulation, which means that if this was your accumulation, your next accumulation is going to be somewhere near here. So basically, if I try to make another text down there for this one being you know, a accumulation right there, so I'm going to place the accumulation, which actually lies at near $4, and it's a technical target, by the way, as I told you, for the head and shoulder. Now from here, the same cycle is going to repeat. Whatever happened here is what I'm expecting for that accumulation to start to go back up for reaccumulation, go back for another distribution right there, and we could even see $1,000 in the future. Who knows, if I'm correct, and if the same particular thing happens again. It's only if it happens again. So if you enjoyed this one, you can always check more details. There's a lot of content in here for 19 hours of education. You can learn more than that about investing smartly. And that's pretty much it for this update on Solana. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.